अस्सलाम वालेकुम। न्यू ऑक्सफोर्ड मॉडर्न इंग्लिश बुक 4 यूनिट 7 हेयर कट स्टार्ट करते हैं इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। पहले ये क्वेश्चन नोट करें, व्हाई डू पीपल थिंक दैट DNP इज़ अ ट्रैम्प। तो इसका आंसर है DNP was not in the habit of having a haircut, nor did he shave. It was because of his long, unclean hair and beard that the people had started thinking of him as a tramp. अब हम एक्सरसाइज ए के ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन ए है, व्हाट वाज इट दैट पीपल marveled at about DNP. People marveled at DNP's name. Also, the beard he grows when he is an adult is described as marvelous. Question B है, why did DNP grow a beard? DNP grew a beard because he thought that people would think more highly of him if he did so. Question C है, when did DNP decided to have a haircut and why? DNP decided to have a haircut after people gave him money because they thought he was a tramp. He realized that his long hair and grey beard looked scruffy, crumpled. Question D है, what was funny about the name of the barber shop? The name of the barber's shop was funny because it contained a spelling mistake, homophone. A stile is an arrangement of steps that allows people but not animals to climb over a fence. The shop's name should have used style instead of style. यानी ये दोनों हम आवाज़ वर्ड्स हैं बट इनके मीनिंग्स डिफरेंट हैं। क्वेश्चन ई है, व्हाट वाज स्ट्रेंज about the way Mr. Sami spoke. Mr. Sami's way of speaking was strange because he spoke in broken English using one or two word sentences. Question F है, who gave DNP a haircut? One of the assistant barbers gave DNP a haircut. Question G है, why did DNP argue with Mr. Sami? DNP argued with Mr. Sami because he had asked for his beard to be trimmed, but the assistant barber had shaved it off. Question H है, how did the lady at the bus stop make DNP feel happy? The lady at the bus stop made DNP feel happy because she called him young man when she asked him what time it was. अब हम questions करेंगे. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. How did various people address DNP and why did they choose to do so in those ways? तो इसका आंसर है DNP's teachers and friends called him DNP. His mother called him DN. His sister called him D. All of them shortened his name because it was long and bit of a tongue twister. At the end of the story, the old lady called DNP young man. This was probably because he was clean shaven and younger than her. Question J है, how did DNP's appearance change during his life? DNP grew a beard when he became an adult. The beard turned very grey as he grew older. Then DNP let his hair grow longer and he started to look a bit like tramp. After his haircut and shave, DNP looked younger. अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करेंगे. आंसर द क्वेश्चंस अबाउट दिस लाइन फ्रॉम द स्टोरी. Where did these come from? He asked himself, looking bemused. इस लाइन से रिलेटेड ये क्वेश्चंस हैं, इन्हें सॉल्व करते हैं. Who said these words and where? DNP said these words after he woke up on the bench in park. What is referred to by these? These refers to the coins people had left in his hat. Question C है, why did the speaker look bemused? DNP looked bemused because he was confused about how the coins had come to be in his hat, because he had been asleep when people had put them in there. Question D है, what did the speaker decide to do because of this incident? He decided to get a new look by having a haircut. अब हम ये क्वेश्चन करते हैं, चैलेंज. Do you think DNP was a married man? Give reasons for your answer. DNP was not married. He was a mama's boy and did not care about anybody else. His very first name suggests that his mother loved him very much but brought him up with great love and affection. He was rather spoiled. The time he had his hair cut and got addressed by a lady as a young man, he felt bemused. In fact, this was the very first time he had come in contact with any other woman except his mother. Exercise B. Punctuate the following. इनको आपने कॉमास और फुल स्टॉप्स और कैपिटल लेटर्स के साथ लिखना है. तो आप यहाँ से नोट करें इन सेंटेंसेस को. यस, ये आपने फर्स्ट जो लेटर है कैपिटल लिखना है, इसको इन्वर्टेड कॉमास लगाने हैं, फिर यहाँ पे कॉमा, और ये आप यहाँ से नोट कर लें. Yes, it's all looking a little crumpled, he thought to himself, and full stop. इस तरह ये सारे करने हैं. Sitting please, said the man, pointing to an empty chair. यहाँ पे एक्सक्लेमेशन साइन भी लगाना है इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स के साथ. Said दानिश नसीरुद्दीन पीरज़ादा to himself as he sat down. 2 words. Where is it? क्वेश्चन मार्क भी लगाना है इसमें और इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स भी. आई आस्क यू टू ट्रिम माई बियर्ड, नॉट शेव इट ऑफ. अब हम करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ये यहाँ से आप नोट कर लें. ये हैं ऑपोजिट्स, इन वर्ड्स के ऑपोजिट्स लिखने हैं जो मैंने इनके ऊपर लिख दी हैं. आप प्लीज़ नोट करें ताकि वीडियो बहुत लंबी ना हो जाए. और इसके बाद हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज सी का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ये भी आप नोट कर लें जल्दी से. ये कंप्लीट करना है प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल के और इनके साथ मज़ीद वर्ड्स लगा के. द मैन कॉट द बॉयज़ स्टीलिंग एप्पल्स. वी स्पेंड द आफ्टरनून प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. शी लॉक द कपबोर्ड वाइल स्टैंडिंग ऑन अ स्टूल. और फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है चेंज द फॉलोइंग. Put going to in place of the future tense and the future tense in place of going to. तो इनको भी आप यहाँ से नोट करें. My father will build a boat next Saturday. ये मैंने आंसर्स लिखे हैं. I am going to sail it on the lake. It looks as if it is going to rain soon. I am going to the lake on Saturday. There is going to be a holiday on Saturday. अब हम करते हैं इस पेज पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है. Write a reply to each of the following using ought to. तो इसके आंसर्स भी मैंने यहाँ पर लिखे हैं. 3 of my arrows are up the tree. तो इसका आंसर आप ये लिखेंगे You ought to bring them down. यानी ought का मतलब होता है आपको करना चाहिए. चाहिए के मायनों में आएगा. Our cat has fallen into the soup. Then you ought to pull her out. My sister has got a very bad cold. You ought to take her to a doctor. The rear wheel has a puncture. You ought to mend it. There is no petrol in the jeep. You ought to have it refilled. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.